Good morning to all. In today's lecture, we will see how to convert the given Murray machine into equivalent Mealy machine. We have already seen the definition of Murray machine and Mealy machine in the previous lecture. These two are the FA with the output. Now let's see how to convert the given Murray machine into equivalent Mealy machine. Okay, the simple technique used behind the conversion is, if we have the Murray machine, let's consider the one state Q4 and having the output symbol as a T, and three incoming transitions having the input symbols A, B and C. Then this can be converted into equivalent Mealy machine, like write down the first state without the output symbol, just simply the state label, state name. Then consider all the incoming transitions. We know that there are the three incoming transition towards the state Q4. So let's take here first transition, incoming transitions, incoming edge towards the Q4. It is A, and write the output symbol of this Q4, which is nothing but the T. So A oblique T. Similarly, another incoming transitions B oblique T. Then third is C oblique T. Likewise, we convert the all incoming transitions into the input oblique output, that is in terms of a Mealy machine format with for the all incoming transitions. Okay, so let's see one example for this one. Example: convert given Murray machine into equivalent into its equivalent Mealy machine. Okay, now let's see the diagram is given. Okay, Q1 oblique 1, here it is Q0 oblique 0, here it is Q2 oblique 0, then Q3 oblique 1. There is no concept of final state. Initial state shown is here Q0, then there is a outgoing transition from Q0 to Q1 for A, here it is B, then A, B, then A oblique B, and here is again one self loop is shown, that is for A. Now this is the given transition diagram of given Murray machine. We know that this transition diagram is of Murray machine because the output symbol is specified within the state, that is state oblique output symbol. Now we have to erase the output symbol from this one and wants to put on each and every transitions of the given diagram. Okay, now with the help of the above method, we can convert all the transitions into the required form of a Mealy machine. Okay, now here see how to convert that. Its equivalent Mealy machine is now we have to go state by state. So first consider the state Q0. Don't write the output symbol here now. Consider all the incoming transitions. There is no incoming transitions in the given Murray machine, so we cannot, no need to consider for that one. Now that means here the processing of state Q1 is finished. Now consider the another state Q1. Okay, now let's draw here one circle as a state. Just write the state name here Q1. Now consider all the incoming transitions. In the given Murray machine, there is only one incoming transitions toward the state Q1. It is from Q0 to Q1 having the label A. So draw that incoming transition as it is and give the label input symbol. A is already written, oblique What is the output symbol of Q1? Output symbol of Q1 is 1. So write here 1. Now here though no other incoming edge is there towards the state Q1. So we have finished the processing of Q1. Go towards the next state. Now next state is nothing but the Q2 state. Draw here circle Q2. Write without the output symbol, just only the state name. Then this one, consider all the incoming transitions. Which are the incoming transitions here? Incoming edges are, one is this one, Q0 to Q2, then Q1 to Q2, and one is the self loop, Q2 to Q2. Okay, consider all one by one. Then if I take this one, don't change the input symbol. Input symbol oblique output symbol. What is the output symbol of Q2? Output symbol of Q2 is given in the given Moore machine is a 0. So write here B oblique 0. Similarly, here it will be again input symbol same है B oblique 0. And self loop, that is means from Q2 to Q2 A oblique 0. Okay, this way we have converted all the incoming transitions of a Q2 into the required form. Now here we process the Q2 state. Now go for the next one. Continue this until and unless you finish the all states. Now consider here Q3. What are the incoming edges shown in the given Moore machine? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Two input symbols are given here. So consider all one. Draw these edges. A oblique output symbol क्या है 1, then B oblique 1, and what about this one A oblique 1. You can show this separately or you can write by that giving the comma also, B oblique 1. Okay, so this is the equivalent Mealy machine of a given Moore machine. Okay, I will construct the transition table of this one here. A input symbol B, and this is for the output symbol. This will be the delta function and this will be our lambda function, machine function or output mapping function. Here it will be the delta. Okay. This part is nothing but the sigma. This is nothing but the states. Okay, how many states are there? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Initial state is Q0. Then just these two columns, write down the next state. Q0A. Q0A. Next state is Q1. Q0B. Next state is Q0B. Next state is Q2. So write here Q2. Then Q1 state. Q1A. Next state is Q3. Then Q1B. Next state is Q2. Then then Q2. Q2A. Next state is Q2. Then Q2B. Next state is Q3. Then Q3. Next states are Q3. Output symbols. Okay, which is the output symbol associated with Q0? It is 0. Here 1, 0, 1. So write that one, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the output symbol associated with Q0. This is the output symbol associated with Q1 and likewise. Okay, so this transition table 1 of a given Moore machine, and this is the transition diagram of a given Moore machine. Okay, so in this way we can convert the given Moore machine into equivalent Mealy machine. Thank you all.